welcome to all of you. Today we are pleased to listen about some time-tested technique. Kriya Yoga meditation, we are searching this technique from time immemorial. This Kriya Yoga meditation, what we are ready to learn and what we are going to learn in future, detail about it, is meant for one thing, how to stop development of ignorance. Ignorance means false concept, incorrect idea, illusion, something which is non-reality. When we start misunderstanding, then there is a great problem within our own self. Kriya Yoga meditation is the foolproof technique. When you practice it sincerely, then you will realize that development of ignorance stops. I want to explain what is the meaning of ignorance. Ignorance means not knowing the things correctly. For example, body. What is body? Body does not mean what we think, that is structure of cells and tissues, structure of bone and muscles is called body. This body is something else. And what is this body? This body, what is visible to our eyes? This is visible portion, and invisible portion of this body is infinite. It is potentially vast and infinite. But we do not imagine about it, therefore we do not get idea about it. In the same way, we are not knowing what is mind. We think body and mind are two. In fact, body and mind are one. What is called visible structure, this is body. What is the mind? That is invisible aspect of this head to toes. Then what is the soul? Soul is called omnipresence nature, omnipotent nature, omniscient nature. And this body is having a storehouse of everything. From within, there is flowing outward verses of the scriptures, millions of Bible, Gita, Quran, Vedas are stored within this. Countless formulas, principles of science and technology are stored within this. Then head to toes what we feel, it is ocean of knowledge, ocean of power. It is made up of element of peace and element of joy. And what is the soul? Soul means, which is something immortal, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent. Then body, mind and soul. Soul also we call is spirit. When we try to understand soul, that soul is an omnipresence existence which we cannot see with the help of our eyes, then we call it a spirit. Therefore body, mind, soul or spirit. Therefore soul and spirit are not two, both are one. And what is the mind? Then mind, body, soul, spirit, all are not many. There exists only one thing, but when we are having ignorance, when we are not realizing the ultimate truth, then we realize that there are many. Body is different, mind is different, soul is different, spirit is different. This is what we understand. Now how this ignorance is growing? Within our head and spine there is area medulla oblongata. Within that there is a highest magnetic point. Like outside is black hole, you can imagine something like that inside. This is called the nucleus point. And from here, when consciousness moves down with the higher speed and going outward with the higher speed, then we realize ignorance in all walks of life. This is called outward attraction. When I realize that I am going to get more joy and peace when we see the movie, when we are having the food outside in restaurant, franchise system of living, when we see that I am going to get my pleasure and joy and peace, when we move outward and we are searching outward, this is called outward journey. When we are having outward journey and not realizing that we have everything within, then this outward thought brings realization of this kind of happening in which the consciousness inside the spine is moving faster downward and ascending up with the slow speed, and moving outward with the high speed, returning back inside with the low speed. This is called development of ignorance. In Kriya Yoga meditation, what we do, we just reverse the system. We are reversing it, and how reverse is made. Then upward force is more, and downward force is less. And when it is moving outward, outward force is less, and then inward force is more. By practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, we are reversing the condition. The consciousness flowing inside head and spine, we are accelerating upward with a higher speed. There is upward a higher pull, and downward is low pull, outward is low pull, and inward is more pull. When we create this condition, then we realize what is truth. Truth in all walks of life. When we are with the truth, then we realize one most important thing what we are searching, immortality. Then we realize our nature, that we are immortal. Now, how you will prove it? Then you are able to trace your existence before this visible presence of head to toes. And you will be able to trace yourself all the time. Then you will realize, like Jesus Christ, like Moses, like Krishna, like Lahiri Mahasaya, like Buddha, like Mahatar Babaji, like Paramahansa Yogananda, you will have clear perception that you came in this world from somewhere else. Then you are working here, you are going again to somewhere different place and becoming invisible. Again you will return back. This is what we realize. That realization is called immortal nature. Therefore, what is the ultimate truth? That there exists immortality. When there exists immortality, then we never think of killing anyone. When each and every creation is immortal, then it means immortal is only God. It means God has become all. Then we never practice a hatred. We are trying to accept everything as such. We have no complaint. Then what we think, this is ignorance, this is wisdom, this is good and this is bad. Then we realize this is cosmic motion picture of God. Then we appreciate all. But we never become affected to do exactly like ignorant person. We are doing exactly what you have to do, but you are respecting all. This is the what important point we should remember, that time has come that we need Kriya Yoga meditation, because life is very fast. We want peaceful life. We want powerful life. When you practice it, you are able to reverse the current flowing inside head and spine. You are able to accelerate upward current. You are able to retardate downward current. You are able to accelerate inward. You are able to retardate outward. In this way you become wise. Then you have no any inhuman activities. Then you are working best for all. Best for human being, best for animals, best for plants, best for lake, ocean, river, mountain. This is what we need. And I am very delighted to be with all of you that come and learn this Kriya Yoga technique. This technique is having genealogy. What is genealogy? Long before Krishna taught the same. After that Jesus Christ taught the same. Before Jesus Christ, Moses taught the same. Now in this age, this came through the Lahiri Mahasaya. From Lahiri Mahasaya went to Swami Yukteswar Giri. Then Paramahansa Yogananda brought to the North America in 1920. Now you are practicing this with us together. Therefore this is called tested, time-tested technique. We are very, very fortunate. Now we cannot say we are not having the path of realization of truth. We have it, and let us practice and feel that we are immortal. We are potentially vast and infinite.